Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GPS on your Apple Watch Ultra. First, ensure location services are enabled in your watch's privacy and security settings. This powerful feature provides highly accurate positioning, essential for many functions. It's vital for tracking your outdoor activities, guiding you with navigation, and enhancing safety features, making your watch a reliable companion for any adventure. When you begin a workout like a run or hike, your Apple Watch Ultra automatically activates GPS to record your route, distance, and pace. For navigation, open the Maps app directly on your watch. You can search for destinations and receive clear, turn-by-turn directions right on your wrist. Remember, downloading offline maps to your paired iPhone will also sync them to your watch, allowing for navigation even without cellular service. The Compass app on your Apple Watch Ultra is a powerful tool for outdoor exploration. It shows your current bearing, elevation, and precise coordinates. You can easily create waypoints to mark significant spots, like your campsite or a scenic overlook. For added safety, the Backtrack feature records your path, allowing you to retrace your steps back to your starting point, even in unfamiliar terrain or without a cellular connection. To get the most accurate GPS data, always ensure your Apple Watch Ultra has an unobstructed view of the sky. This helps it connect to multiple satellite systems, including L1 and L5 frequencies, for superior precision. Regularly updating your watch to the latest Watch OS software also ensures you benefit from the newest GPS enhancements. In areas with limited satellite visibility, cellular or Wi-Fi can provide additional location assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.